Hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where or when you're watching this. It's me, your friendly neighborhood deacon, Deacon Gene. And you're probably thinking to yourself, wait a minute, did I miss something? Did I oversleep a day? No, you're not. Today is Tuesday, and normally I don't do a shaving video on a Tuesday, but today is something very special. Today is the 26th of September. It is National Mesothelioma Awareness Day. And you may be wondering, why are we bringing that up? Well, for those of you in the wet shaving community, our sister, Kim Gray, is in a fight against this dreaded disease. And she's going through some trial medications and trial treatments, and we're all hoping and praying that this works for her. I don't personally know Kim other than a few interactions, but she's part of the family. She's part of the community. So I'm going to be praying. Lift Kim up in prayer, all of you. Tonight on the Razor Company Instagram page, 7:30 Eastern Time, 6:30 here in the Central Time, here in the middle of Texas, and wherever it is, wherever you're watching, they're going to be doing a special salute and awareness for Kim that day. Just a quick note, I do have a little note that mesothelioma is a type of cancer that develops from the thin layer of tissue that covers many of the internal organs, known as the mesothelium. The area commonly affected is the lining of the lungs and the chest wall. Less common linings of the abdomen, and rarely the sac surrounding the heart or the sac surrounding the testes. Signs and symptoms may include shortness of breath due to fluid around the lungs, swollen abdomen, chest wall pain, cough, feeling tired, weight loss. These are symptoms typically come on slowly. So it's a slow moving disease. All cancer sucks, no matter what. This is a big one. A lot of people who were exposed to asbestos, whether it was in the shipbuilding industries or in construction or whatever, came down with this disease. It's not a fun thing. And like I said, my prayers go out to Kim. We're painting everything blue this week, especially today. And we want Kim to know that she's not alone. That's why the majority of us today are wearing or shaving with Never Alone. Because it's not just mental health, it's physical health. If you're down and you don't think you can go any further, reach out to somebody. There's always a hand there. Reach out. We're there. I'm there. The community's there. We're all there. And that's what I'm going to be shaving with today. That's why we're here. That's why we did this. The community, Ariana and Evans Razor Company, aka Brushworks, and a whole bunch of other people, J-Mac and Jason and Crystal, and they all got behind Never Alone. This is the third release of Never Alone. Peter over at Ariana and Evans put the scent for this one in the Ultima base. And let me tell you, this has an unbelievable scent. From what I understand, it is now unobtainium. There's no more left. I don't know whether they're going to put any more out, but that's the pour. That's what I've used here. I have not made my lather yet. It's here in the Deacon's bowl. The scent profile: bergamot, passion fruit, guava, mango, peach, mandarin, lily of the valley, jasmine, iris, orris root, that's a new one on me, oak moss, musk, Himalayan cedar, Haitian vetiver, and sandalwood. That's very tropical, very relaxing scent, at least from what I got from it. That's the way it feels. Hardware. Rod George made this one. Stand for the flag, kneel for the cross. I've nicknamed this the Deacon's Razor. And I put a different head on it today because I wanted something a little lighter. This is the West Coast Shaving Charcoal Goods collaboration, the Lithe. It's a lighter, milder head. I've got the a Dorco blade in there. Where's my brush? There it is. From AKA Brushworks. That's the coin that they put in for the brush. Beautiful blue. Nice knot. This is the one that Crystal was always saying, oh, talking about was number 14 in the collection. This is the one that I looked at and I agreed with her. I fortunately got it. I don't know whether they had another model 14 that maybe Crystal might have gotten. I'm going to put this in to soak a little bit. I'm still using the, what do you call it? The distilled water. I'm getting a much better lather out of that. Hope you all had a great Monday. I'm just doing a little cleanup from a brush that I had hanging yesterday, drying. My Star Wisp. So anyway, I hope you had a great Monday. Mine, boom, my head blew up yesterday. Every time I turned around, there was another brick wall that I hit. When I tried to do something, they've tightened security up quite a bit as far as IT goes, and we've got to go through a lot of different hoops to get things done. Let's make a lather, shall we? Man, you can smell the fruits coming off of this. Needs a little more water. And use this guy here. I don't have one of those bougie things yet. And I got to remember, this is the first time I'm using this brush, so it's going to absorb a lot of lather and whatnot. And we need some more water. So anyway, today is Tuesday, bowling night. And besides Brenda not being able to bowl because of her knee, two of the guys are going to a concert tonight. So there's only going to be two of us. We're using everybody's average. Found that out late last night. Brenda says to me, oh, by the way, did you get Raul's message? Well, I got it now. Wish I had a little more advance notice. I'd asked for a postponement. But hey, what the heck. We'll see what happens. One more shot of water ought to do it. We've already taken care of two of the three S's. I feel like I'm making a cake here. Or at least a, what do you call it? icing for a cake. I think we're good enough. Dry my hands a little bit. I'll let my there it is. Everlong 3 towel that I'm using today. I've got the wristband on. Let's put some water on the face because, as we all know, hydration is important. Let's get some of this lather on here. I think we did a good job with that. Switch hands. Clear the lips so you can see what I'm saying. Here we go. I've used the handle. I used this handle before with the head that came with it. It's aggressive, but I don't need anything aggressive today. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Man, this between the scent and the glide, and that's the residual gliding. It's got a nice feel, and the scent is good. So I'm heading into the office after this, and then I'm gonna go bowling. Like I said, today's bowling day, bowling night. Hopefully it's gonna go quick and relatively painless. Still got a bunch of things I got to take care of at the office today too. Now, since today is Tuesday, and I've done 2 in a row, one would think I would not shave, do another video on Wednesday. But it's Italian Shave Day. You think I'm going to miss that? Nah, there will be another video. I know, you're going to get tired of it, but this is a special week. Nice. That feels good. We will need a second pass, though. We always do. Hand swap. Stay. That's a beautiful brush that they did over at AKA. They did a really fantastic job. I'll be a little careful where I caught myself yesterday. Gave that nice donation. It did finally stop. I am so sorry that Charcoal Goods decided to close up shop, because they do make a good product. I have all three of the heads. This one, the toothsome, and the brawny. I got these right when I got into wet shaving. I mean this type of wet shaving. And I like them. I just got my alert from Sonic, half price cheeseburgers after 5 o'clock. But I think, not talking about cheeseburgers, but talking about the Charcoal Goods West Coast Shaving collaboration on these heads, I think they still have some available. So if you want a little bit of Charcoal Goods and still out there, want to try them, they're not expensive. I think they sell the whole set for like $25 if they're still selling the whole set. But try them. They're nice heads. They do a good job. And this one here, the Lithe, if you want something light that's not aggressive and going to give a decent shave, well, this is it. Let's do a third pass. Why not? Hate to waste all that great lather that's in here. There we go. Third pass against the grain. This has a tremendous amount of glide. The ultimate base that Pete came up with, stunning. Absolutely stunning. One more time. All right, third pass is done. Let's see how we did. Just the usual spot. Neck cleanup. Perfect. Perfecto. Beautimus. Beautimus. Let's do a rinse real quick. No need for an alum block today. This feels pretty good. In that, not as hot as the other side. Water. Do a little towel dry real quick. Frankie dry, as we call it. A little hand dry. A little batso. Going back crazy. Why not? A little bit of Thayer's. Didn't realize that. There we go. No biggie. Yeah, I just shaved over the wedge hazel. Let that dry a little bit. Okay, we're done with the towel. Here we go. Toss. Luca, if you're watching. Is that going? It's hanging on the edge. Oh well. So we're good there. Here's the splash. Shake, 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 shake your left shake. Come on. It's a new bottle. Ooh, that's nice. Not a lot of heavier fruits as the soap had, but it's good. It feels really nice. Pete's got a great formula on his aftershaves as well. He's got a bunch of stuff that you would consider skin food in them. And of course, what else but the EDP. I'm not wearing the t-shirt to work. It's not a Friday, so unfortunately, I'm going to have to change into something else. But EDP, oh man, this has more of the fruit forward. On the aftershave, I was getting more of the cedars and the musk and the sandalwood, and maybe a little bit of the flower in the middle. More, the aftershave has more middle note forward, at least to me, and the soap and the EDP has more of the fruit forward when it first starts. So anyway, that's our shave for today. Remember, today is Mesothelioma Awareness Day. Take a minute or two send some good thoughts, good prayers, not only to Kim, but to anybody that may be suffering from this hard cancer. It's not a good thing. All cancer sucks. So, shaving is not one of the most exhilarating parts of your day. You might be doing something wrong. As always, be good to yourselves and to each other. Tonight, Instagram, The Razor Company, 7:30 Eastern. Be there. I'm probably going to be there, even though I'm at the bowling alley. Who knows? Have a great day and smooth shaves. We'll see you tomorrow for Italian Shave Day. What you gonna do? What you gonna use? Eh? Capiche? Ciao for now.